JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2008 Lincoln Navigator, stock number N01274. It has 259K on it. Exterior of the vehicle is in pretty decent shape. The front bumper covers are a little dinged up, but the rebars underneath should be great. Hood's looking good right there. Don't see many pings on it. Moving down the left side of the vehicle, fender right there, 000, no marks on it. Same here with the left front door and the left rear door, 000s, not a mark on them. Looking really nice. Knees are complete on both the left and right front. That's with the control arm, spindle, and strut. Got a couple decent wheels here as well. A little bit of finish, faded, but other than that, they're in great shape. Quarter panel right there, it's got some rust, looks like it was just spray painted over. So both quarter panels actually have the same damage, so those aren't the best. Can't speak, don't worry about it. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, deck lid, great shape. Couldn't find any pings on it, and that's complete with the hinges and the lights. Moving up the right side of the vehicle, got two more good wheels, just a little finish. Like I said, the quarter panel there, same deal there, no good. Rear door and front door on the right side, both 000s, as well as the fender. Like I said, outside of the vehicle is in fantastic shape. You can hear the engine running here. I'll bring you into the interior of the vehicle and rev that a few times for you. Turn the AC down here because I got it cranking. As you can see, the engine is running great. Interior of the vehicle is also pretty clean. Do have a sunroof here. Let me open that up for you. In great shape. And I'll show you the top of the roof glass here, as well as the luggage rack. And like I said, yeah, it's a 2008 Lincoln Navigator, stock number N01274. If you have any questions, give our sales guys a call.